The copywriting and content writing course. And in this course, you'll be learning everything you need to know about copywriting and content writing. So these are the things we'll be covering in this course. And with this course, you know everything you need to know to become a good copywriter and a seasoned content writer for any niche you want to venture into. So this course will help you to be able to understand these two concepts, because a lot of the times you discover that people confuse copywriting with content writing. You understand? And why they confuse these two, they won't be able to know when someone is writing a good copy or when someone is writing a good content. So but with the help of this course, you'll be able to understand these two concepts. Like, you understand what copywriting is all about, and you also understand what content writing is all about. So with that being said, let's get right into the course. So what are we going to be talking about in the course? First, we'll start with talking about the course overview.